Welcome back to our channel. Today I will bring you to the Teatro Politeama Garibaldi from the Porto of Palermo. We will walk the Via Emerico Amari right in front of the cruise terminal. Emerico Amari Street is one of the liveliest streets in Palermo, filled with shops, restaurants and cafes. It's the perfect place to start our tour.
You know we got what you need, baby, so take it along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, beat up. Wow. Come on, and groove along.
Continuing along Via Emerico Amari, we arrive at Piazza Ruggero Settimo, a bustling hub of activity with the Monumento to Ruggero Settimo at its center. The Teatro Politeama Garibaldi is the second most important theatre in Palermo after the Teatro Massimo. It's a beautiful example of neoclassical architecture, designed by Giuseppe Damiani Almeyda and inaugurated on June 7, 1874. Inside, the theatre can accommodate up to 950 spectators. It houses the Sicilian Symphony Orchestra and offers a variety of performances from operas to concerts.
In the description, you will find useful links and offers dedicated to you.
If you have any doubts or questions, write in the comments below and we will answer you as soon as possible. Help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you at the next video.